Water you drink today might have been part of a glacier thousands of years ago? The water cycle, a continuous movement of water on, above, and below the Earth's surface, is a fascinating journey. Water on Earth remains fairly constant, but its distribution among ice, fresh water, salt water, and atmospheric water varies. This cycle involves processes like evaporation, transpiration, condensation, precipitation, sublimation, infiltration, surface runoff, and subsurface flow. The ocean is a major player, contributing to 86% of global evaporation. Energy from the sun powers the water cycle, heating water in oceans and seas, causing it to evaporate. Water vapor rises into the air, where it cools and condenses into clouds. Clouds move around the globe, eventually releasing water as precipitation. Precipitation can fall as rain, snow, hail, or sleet, replenishing water in rivers, lakes, and oceans. Some of this water infiltrates the ground, replenishing aquifers and providing groundwater. Groundwater can remain stored for thousands of years, slowly moving and eventually seeping back into surface water bodies. The water cycle also involves the exchange of energy, influencing temperature and climate. When water evaporates, it cools the environment, and when it condenses, it releases energy, warming the surroundings. This cycle purifies water, leaving salts and other solids behind during evaporation. Condensation in the atmosphere replenishes the land with fresh water. The flow of water and ice transports minerals, reshaping Earth's geological features through erosion and sedimentation. Human activities like deforestation, urbanization, and groundwater extraction significantly impact the water cycle. Climate change intensifies the water cycle, causing shifts in precipitation patterns and extreme weather events. These changes affect ecosystems, water availability, agriculture, and human societies. Evapotranspiration, the combined process of evaporation and transpiration, plays a crucial role in the water cycle. Water vapor, being less dense than the major atmospheric components, rises due to buoyancy. As it rises, the temperature drops, causing water vapor to condense into tiny droplets, forming clouds. Atmospheric circulation moves these clouds, leading to precipitation over land and oceans. Snow and ice can accumulate in glaciers, storing water for thousands of years. Surface runoff from precipitation flows into rivers, lakes, and eventually back to the oceans. Not all runoff reaches rivers. Some infiltrates the ground, replenishing soil moisture and groundwater. Plants absorb groundwater, releasing it back into the atmosphere through transpiration. Human-induced changes in land use affect the water cycle, altering precipitation, evaporation, and groundwater levels. Climate change leads to more intense and frequent extreme weather events, disrupting the water cycle. The water cycle is essential for life on Earth, influencing climate, ecosystems, and human activities. Understanding the water cycle helps us appreciate the interconnectedness of natural processes and the impact of our actions. The water cycle, a never-ending journey of transformation, sustaining life and shaping our planet.